If you're finding yourself with a lot of extra time at home, now might be the best time for you to get started on YouTube. YouTube Simplified. Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. And if you want to receive future notifications on videos that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. And hey, don't forget to turn on notifications on your mobile device to make sure that you're alerted when new videos are released. So one of the biggest obstacles people often refer to when trying to get started on YouTube is time. And hey, you just might have some extra time on your hands. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take that time, make it productive, and help you start a YouTube channel. All right, so the first thing you want to do is brainstorm ideas. What would you like to cover on a regular basis here on YouTube? You really want to focus on a niche when starting a YouTube channel so you can continue to provide videos related to a certain topic. What's your passion? Do you have a hobby? Something maybe you do woodworking, maybe you like to work on cars, whatever it is, give it some thought, figure out exactly what you'd like to talk about or share with an audience as you continue to learn that skill, and that can be a great topic for you to start making videos about. So the next thing you need to understand is what kind of gear you need in order to get started making videos on YouTube. And right here, I have exactly what you need to get started, and all it is your cell phone. You probably have a cell phone in your pocket. If you do, that is what's going to get you started here on YouTube. This channel, which has now surpassed 50,000 subscribers, was started, in fact, over 100 videos were made using an iPhone. And just a quick tip, instead of grabbing your phone and talking to it and walking around with it, you don't want to make people sick, so try to make your phone as stable as possible, figure out what you want to cover topic-wise, and push that record button. It's really important that you don't wait for the content to be perfect. It's not going to be perfect. You're going to look back in a year and probably think these videos kind of suck, but that's okay. That's the point. We want to have those sucky videos because you need to have the sucky videos in order to learn how to make the ones that don't suck as much. Then you're going to get to it. You're going to be making videos, making content, focus on making 100 videos over time and improving a little with each video. And once you get the ball rolling, since you have some time on your hands, you also want to make sure that you read the YouTube terms of service so you understand exactly what's permitted and what's not here on the platform. And if you're new to YouTube and the idea of creating your own channel, it's important to understand that this isn't just a hobby. There's real opportunity to make some serious money here on YouTube, so you also want to be familiar with the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to receive ad revenue based on ads being placed on your videos as you start to build an audience and get views on your channel. In order to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, your content has to abide by YouTube's terms of service, your channel has to be in good standing, and you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to apply for the program. And once you do that and get monetized, then you'll start to see ads appear on your content and you'll start to get a piece of that ad revenue. The more views you collect, the more opportunity you have to earn more money. And as you continue to build your YouTube channel and become known for whatever topic you're focusing on, then people will start to recognize you as a source for that type of content. And as you build your brand on YouTube, there will be more opportunities to monetize your brand, going beyond ad revenue to reach out and maybe do products or services, teach courses, whatever it is that you're focusing on here on YouTube. There are plenty of YouTubers out there that make 6 figures and beyond, so there is a real opportunity here to make a living making videos online. I don't know about you, but I think that's a pretty cool way to make a living. Plus, as you continue to develop your craft here on YouTube, you're going to learn a variety of skills that have real value that you can use in a variety of ways to help you make a living as a content creator. So if you're stuck in the house and the world's going crazy out there, know that you have this awesome opportunity to set up a camera or pick up your phone and start making content to share with the world. And hey, you also want to continue to be a student. There's plenty to learn here on YouTube, and the more content you consume on learning how YouTube works, the better you'll be as a creator. In fact, I'll put a link up here to a playlist filled with YouTube feature tutorials so you can learn the layout of YouTube and its features. I'll see you in the next video.